What if you want to add a tooltip to your page? So you got a bit of text, and when you hover over it, a tooltip appears. This can easily be done with a little bit of HTML script where you go and add in your text, your class, and your styling. So when you hover over it, it reveals a bit more. Now, this isn't a link, but it could be a link. And when you click over it, before you click the link, you get a bit of a description. Really simple and easy to do, and it is using HTML. You could do this with a text editor and drop it in, but I have found sometimes it's not always brilliant, especially as the text editor can sometimes modify the way it looks in terms of the syntax and all of that. But this is really simple to do. So at the top over here, you go and add in your text, and the bits for where you're going to have your tooltip like CSS, which is over here, I've given it the class name of tooltip, and it sits within a span. And you can see the class name of tooltip text as well. And then I've gone and added in a bit more text, and then I've added in another one for Web Squadron. And then over here, you get what is going to be revealed in the tooltip. So this entire code is in the video description. In fact, it's not in the video description. There'll be a link to go and get it because YouTube does not allow you to put these brackets in, which is really annoying, although I understand why. And then we got our styling for how it's going to appear. So if you want it to be positioned closer or further away, have a more rounded border radius or a different background color, you can go and do that. But that's a really simple, easy way of adding in some tooltips or some content on your page without resorting to another plugin or another widget or whatever else you want to use. Hey, I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Catch you later.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain.